timeline, we've also got a little track for our camera. So we can click the plus here, and that will give us a keyframe specifically for the camera. And the same thing, we can go to the end of our panel, and we can click the plus again, and now add another keyframe. So the process in moving the camera is slightly different than your layer. You've got this little icon here, which I think it's called it's just called camera, right? But it works the same way in that you get like this little rectangle around our camera, frame, sorry, which we then click and drag, and we can move that across, right? And we can kind of, depending on what you want to do, you can either line it up exactly with your character, or you can have it slightly offset, and then that will create more interest actually within your animation if things are slightly offset, right? So yeah, if we scrub our timeline now, we've now got a moving camera and character, right? So that's all well and good. The problem is now, what if we want to change up the animation on our character, right? So the workflow inside of Storyboard is that you can't have overlapping panels, right? So inside of After Effects and stuff like that, you might have like your background on like a layer, and then you might have your character on a different layer, and you might shift it, out of sync in the timeline. So Storyboard doesn't let you do that with panels, unfortunately. But there's a hack which we can do to allow us to do that. Right? We can utilize something called a video track. So if I just extend this out a little bit for now, we can right click somewhere. Okay, so excuse me. So we've got our audio track down here, and this is where Storyboard Pro is expecting us to create more audio tracks and video tracks and stuff like that. So we can right click and we can add a new video track. So this video track is going to go on top of everything. So it's above our camera, animation, all of that. So the intended use of our video track is if we want to import a video, like a reference video, into Storyboard, and then we draw over the top of it, and then we could use those drawings as our animatic frames. But we don't have to actually import a video into this. We can just use it as another drawing layer. So once we've got our video track in here, we can right click and we can create a new empty clip. And if we click on this clip, we have drawing layers. So we can actually draw our characters on this layer, and we'll be able to trick Storyboard into thinking that we have multiple layers on top of each other, and this all works the same. So let me go back to the beginning and add this amazing character again, and I can set a keyframe for this character, and I can go to the end, and I can move this. Oops. I can move this character, and you see we get a motion trail in it. So let me just go back Where did I put that other amazing character? Did I delete it without realising it? Must have.